If you're looking for low maintenance lifestyle with luxurious amenities, then look no further. This is 312 Mercury Way in Pleasant Hill. 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths with an updated kitchen, butcher block countertops, stainless steel appliances throughout. A gorgeous master bedroom suite with jacuzzi tub and great HOA amenities such as the tennis courts and a swimming pool. Centrally located to all other amenities like Sun Valley Mall, Pleasant Hill Bart, and some of the best school districts in Contra Costa County. My name is Daniel Ripper with Compass Real Estate. Let's go take a tour inside.